Hey friends, you have a problem speaking in English and you want to improve your spoken English, you want to speak fluent English, then today's session is for you. Today's session is about some very important list of spoken English sentences and phrases that can help you to speak English fluently. And I'm assuring you, even if you don't have a good knowledge of grammar, these phrases, this list of spoken English phrases and sentences will help you to speak in English. So, without any delay, let's start this session. The number one phrase is absolutely impossible. Absolutely impossible? When do you use this phrase? Absolutely impossible is a phrase when you use to express your surprise. You don't believe something that something has happened. You know, someone comes and inform you. Do you know that your neighbor has won a lottery? Has won a 1 crore lottery? Yeah, impossible. Absolutely impossible. I've not heard it before. Someone comes and tell you that, do you know your class friend with whom you used to study got a job or is running a business successfully somewhere? You can't believe it. How can it be? It's absolutely impossible. He was not good in studies. How can he run a business? So, when we hear a news which you can't believe, you are totally surprised, you can't think about it, then you say, absolutely impossible. So, next one, be careful. When do you use this phrase, be careful? You can use this phrase, be careful, to tell someone that to be careful about a situation or any incident which may harm or be injurious to him. Suppose someone or you see a child riding a cycle very fast, and you give him an advice. Be careful, my child, you are riding the cycle too fast. Or someone is running in the middle of the road and you say, hey, be careful, you are in the middle of the road, this is not the place to run. So, be careful is a phrase which you can use to alert someone about an impending trouble or an impending situation which might be injurious to him. Okay? So, next one is, are you crazy? Are you crazy? One of your friends come and tell that, I am going to leave my country and settle abroad. He is successful here, but he wants to leave everything here and wants to go and settle abroad. Say, are you crazy? You want to leave your own country and go elsewhere to settle? Are you crazy? That means you are saying to him, are you stupid? Do you think this action is right? You are actually putting a question to him. So, are you crazy is a phrase which you can use to express or tell someone that you can't believe what he's saying or you can't accept what he's saying. Okay? Next one. Better luck next time. Oh, this is my very important or catchy phrase. Better luck next time. When do you use this phrase? You use this phrase to give a source of encouragement to someone when he or she has not succeeded in his first or second attempt. You are putting an encouragement. You are encouraging him or her to say that nothing happened, don't worry, like next time you will be successful. So, better luck next time is a sort of encouragement phrase to encourage someone and to see that he or she is not depressed. Okay? Next, cheer up. Cheer up. I hope you have heard this. And cheer up is a very positive phrase. What does it express? When you say cheer up to someone, it means that you are also trying to uplift him, lift his memory, lift his thinking power, give him a positive thinking, positive thought that nothing has happened. Don't worry about this situation. This happens in everyone's life, and this has happened with you also. Next time you will be successful. So cheer up, my friend, cheer up. Nothing has happened. Nothing. Don't be so serious about it. So cheer up is also an encouraging phrases which you can use to encourage someone or to lift his emotion and to make him feel positive. Next one. Don't give up. This is also a phrase which you can use to encourage someone. Someone is really, really very depressed, sad. He wants to give up something. He doesn't want to continue with it because he is failing one after another. Every time he attempts a situation or every time he tries, he is not successful there, and he is thinking, oh my god, I'm failing it every time. I want to leave it. But you, as a guide, as a friend, you are encouraging him, you are encouraging your friend. Don't give up. Give another try. You will be successful next time. So don't give up is also a phrase which you can encourage someone. Okay? Next. Don't make any mistakes. This is also a phrase or a sentence which you can say, spoken English sentence, which you can use to alert someone to be cautious, not to be in a hurry, because if he or she makes any mistake, then it will be very costly for him. So don't make any mistakes is that the way you are telling someone to be careful in what he or she is doing. So if you want someone to be careful, someone to be alert, someone to be cautious in what he or she is doing, then you can use this phrase, don't make any mistakes. Next one, don't miss the boat. Yeah, this is a little bit different from the word used here. Don't miss the boat actually means you are giving an advice or you are telling him not to miss the opportunity. Suppose an opportunity has come to your friend to get chance in a very good college or school, and he is not taking it seriously. You are a little worried about why he is behaving like this, and you are just cautioning him by saying, don't miss the boat. That means don't miss the opportunity. It may never come back to your life again. So don't miss the boat you will use to alert someone or tell someone that this is a golden opportunity which you should use and not ponder about it. Next one. Forget it. Forget it. When do you say this? You say this to someone when he or she is a little bit serious about something or is upset. Something has happened in his office, in his school, in college, and he is a little bit upset about it. So you say, forget it. My God, why are you worried about it? Forget it. These type of things happens in our life also. It happened with me also. So forget it. Come on, move on. Let's cheer up. So forget it is someone you are telling someone not to be so serious about the situation or not to be too much upset about the situation and to carry on in his life. Okay? Come on. I hope you are enjoying this session and these spoken English phrases will help you a lot. Come on. Let's jump on to the next one. Give me a call. Give me a call is to say to someone that to ring you back or call you back at a later stage so that you can follow up a certain action. Actually, you are trying here to say to someone, please don't forget to give me a telephone call tomorrow or later in a day. This is just a reminder. You are reminding him to contact you at a later time over phone. So, give me a call is just to use or just to tell someone not to forget calling you and reminding him that it is very important for him to give you a call at a later time. Next one, you are welcome. This is a very, very positive phrase. You are welcome. When do you say this? A visitor, a guest, or your friend has come to your house and you are very happy and you welcome him. You are welcome. Come on. You are welcome. It's a very positive phrase which you can use to tell someone that you are very happy that he has done something for you or he has come to your place and you are very happy that he is with you. You are enjoying his company. So, you are welcome is also a phrase to say that you are very pleased or you are very happy that he or she is with you. Next one. I can't believe it is also used to express that you are really very surprised about a situation. So here also someone comes and say, do you know that your boss has fired him or sacked him from his job? How can it be possible? I can't believe it. How he can do it, this thing. So I can't believe it is also something which you can use to express that you are not something in a position to believe that something has happened with someone. So I can't believe it that you are saying that speaking English is tough. I'm always assure you that Skill English is there to support you, to help you to speak English. So I can't believe if anyone comes and say speaking English is really very difficult. Yes, at first it is, but slowly it will be very easy for you. Next one. How do I look? How do I look? A friend of yours or you dress up for a particular situation and you are going to a party or you are going to a place where every one of you are going to enjoy and you wear a very gorgeous, beautiful dress. So you are asking your friend, actually it is asking for an advice or opinion about how do you look in a particular attire or a particular dress. So how do I look today? Put it in your comment section below. Next phrase is, are you free tomorrow? This is a phrase or spoken English sentence which you can use where you are asking someone if he or she is free so that you can visit him tomorrow. So, are you free tomorrow? If so, then take out your time again and visit Skill English to watch my other very important videos. So, let's finish this session with the final sentence is that spoken English sentence is that don't worry about it. This is also a sentence or phrase, spoken English phrase which you can use to tell someone that it is not so hard, it is not so difficult, not to be serious about a situation. So don't worry about it, about a particular situation which has happened with him and he is really thinking what will happen to him tomorrow or what will happen to him next. You are just trying to cool down that person. So, when you are trying to cool down someone from a hypertension stage, you are just trying to cool him down by saying, don't worry about it. So, friends, don't worry about your spoken English. Skill English is here to help you each and every time you have a problem. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. And those who are coming for the first time, I hope you have enjoyed this session. But before leaving, don't forget to put your likes, share it with your friends and your valuable comments is also needed. So go down to the comment section below and give your valuable comment so that I can know how you have felt in your first experience watching the videos of Skill English. And all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, I'm really grateful that you are coming again and again and watching my videos. I hope you are enjoying this session. So until next time, from Skill English, all of you there, goodbye, have a nice time, and thank you.